Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be transplanting this of a snake plant which I mentioned yesterday, previous day. Its roots were starting to grow through the drainage holes, and it's going to need a serious repot. And yeah, this guy is certainly going to be needing a serious. It's more than one snake plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 10 different plants and individual snake plants in here. But when it comes to snake plants, there's all kinds of different varieties. There's the regular plants, the regular green ones, the greens with the yellow stripes on the sides. There's some that look like a starfish. There's all different varieties. And the other name for these plants is mother-in-law's tongue. That's the original common name I have heard them be called when I was a kid. Um, these plants are in fact these guys are in fact succulents, something which I only found out relatively recently. So they do not need a whole bunch of water. Because of that, I'm using my succulent mix, my regular Miracle-Gro succulent mix here. This was labeled as a low light plant, so I just got it anyway. Which is partially true. They don't need a whole ton of light. If you don't have a whole lot of light wherever you live, you can still have plants, but you just have to be a little bit more. But you are a little bit more limited if you want a specific plant. You have to limit yourself to like ZZ plants, snake plants. Yeah, this is a little baby one that's coming up here. To get the root ball in here. That's better. I've been meaning to transplant this one for a while. I just never gotten around to it. Shoot. If I plant you, I hope you can recover. Spray bottle so I don't disturb the roots too much. Okay, that does it. hopefully that little one there will start to grow roots, will eventually recover and start to grow. Okay, that should cover things. If you happen to like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.